Hey folks, it's time for our Wednesday edition of Living Soil and Worms. And this week we're diving into long-term strategies for summer resilience. Heat waves, dry spells, and sunburnt leaves are no joke. But the best defense isn't just reacting, it's preparing your soil and garden to thrive in tough conditions. If you've ever watched your garden wilt halfway through July, this is for you. We're talking about proactive choices you can make now and next season to help your soil and plants handle stress better naturally. It all starts with building drought-resistant soil. That means increasing organic matter using cover crops and protecting the surface with mulch. A rich, spongy soil full of life holds onto water like a sponge and buffers roots against temperature swings. It's not an overnight fix, but the more seasons you build your soil, the more resilient it becomes. Of course, choosing the right plants helps too. Some varieties are simply better suited for heat, and when you combine those with healthy soil, you set yourself up for success. Look for heirlooms or locally adapted varieties that have proven they can handle your climate. Even things like leaf shape and growth habit can affect how well a plant manages heat and dryness. Now, as summer rolls on, don't forget to adjust your approach. What worked in spring might not be enough in late July. You may need to water deeper but less often, or shift your mulch to lock in more moisture. Keep an eye on your soil texture, color, and smell, because your soil will tell you when it's tired, dry, or stressed. If you find this type of stuff interesting or useful, do me a favor and share, or join our community in the description for more tidbits of information. Now let's get back to it. Deep-rooted plants can be a huge ally in your long-term plan. Things like sunflowers, comfrey, and native grasses break up compacted layers, bring nutrients to the surface, and create channels for water to infiltrate. They're like nature's version of vertical composting tools, and they add diversity and beauty at the same time. One of the best skills you can develop is learning to monitor and adjust based on plant feedback. Wilting, curling, color shifts. These signs tell you how your garden is handling the heat and give you a chance to intervene with extracts, shade, or extra mulch before real damage sets in. As we move toward the back end of summer, it's also the perfect time to prep for late summer and fall plantings. Your soil may be tired and compacted, but a light top dress with compost or adding worm castings to planting holes can recharge it fast. Adding moisture-retaining amendments now means your fall crops get a better start, even in leftover heat. And finally, take time to reflect. What worked? What didn't? Whether it's your mulch choices, watering schedule, or plant varieties, these lessons will help you come back even stronger next season. Gardening is one long experiment, and every year you build a little more wisdom into your soil. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next week.